Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study Channel. As we know, in the last class we have discussed about sequence and series, and we have already completed exercise 9.1. Today we are going to solve exercise 9.2. So in exercise 9.2, question number 1 is find the sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001, that means 2001. ইয়াত আমাক কৈছে find the sum of odd integer from 1 to 001. So let's try to solve question number 1 solution. So question number 1 solution, যেহেতু আমাক সাম ওলাব লাগে, ওয়ার্ড ইন্টিজাৰৰ সামটো ওলাব দিছে 1ৰ পৰা 2001 লৈ। তো প্ৰথমতে আমি এই সিৰিজটো কি হ'ব সেই সিৰিজটো আমি ওলাব লাগিব। তো ফাৰ্স্ট আমি সিৰিজটো লিখিম যে সিৰিজ অফ odd integer from 1 to 2001 is কি হ'ব প্ৰথম ওয়ার্ড নাম্বাৰটো হ'ল 1, যেহেতু 1ৰ পৰা স্টার্ট হৈছে তো 1 প্লাস সেকেন্ড হ'ব 3 প্লাস 5 প্লাস আপ টু লাস্ট টার্মটো হ'ব 2001। ইয়াৰ সাম আমি ওলাব লাগে। তো from this series it is clear that here first term, that means first term is denoted by, we know, small a. First term is 1 and common difference d is denoted by d. Class 10 আমি পাইছো common difference সাধারণ অন্তর is denoted by d. So how to find the common difference? Second term minus first term. Second term is 3 minus first term is 1. So 3 minus 1, this is equal to 2. In this series the last term is also given here. The last term is denoted by an, small an, is equal to 2001. So first we are going to find the number of odd integer lies between 1 to 2001. So we know the formula an. Since an equal to, we know the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is given here, the value of an is 2001. Now putting the value of a, what is a? A is the first term, it is given here, a is 1. So in place of a we write here 1 plus n, we don't know what is n. So n minus 1 into d. Common difference is given is here, so common difference is 2, to write here 2. This is equal to 2001. This implies that taking n minus 1 into 2 in left hand side, this is equal to 2001 minus 1. 1 to left hand side of plus আছে, right hand side of গলে কি যাব subtract হ'ব, so minus হৈ যাব. This implies n minus 1 into 2 equal, if we minus 1 from this, then we get here 2000. This implies that n minus 1 equal to 2000 divided by 2. If we cancelling by 2, then we get here 1000. So this implies that n minus 1, n equal to 1000 plus 1. This implies that n equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So number of odd integer from 1 to 2, 0, 0, 1 is this. Okay. So now we are going to, but according to question we are going to find the sum. Okay. So sum is denoted by Sn. So we know the formula. What is Sn? Sn formula is n by 2. We got the formula in class 10. So Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, a plus an. So n is given here. What is n? N is this one. So 1, 0, 0, 1 divided by 2 whole into a is given 1 plus an is also given here. An is 2, 0, 0, 1. So this is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 into by 2 into, if we add this, then we get 2, 0, 0, 2. If we cancelling this by 2, then 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1 into 1, 0, 0, 1. If we multiply these two, then the result is if we multiply this, then we get 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 2. So what is question number 2? Question number 2 is a very simple problem. Find the sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. যে ইয়াত কুৱেশ্যনত কৈছে 100 আৰু 1000ৰ ভিতৰত 5ৰ গুণিতকৰ যিবিলাক স্বাভাৱিক সংখ্যা হয় 5ৰ গুণিতকৰ যোগফল নিৰ্ণয় কৰিব লাগে। তো ফাৰ্স্ট আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব যে 100 আৰু 1000ৰ ভিতৰত 5ৰ গুণিতকৰ যেটো progressionটো আছে এই progressionটো আমি প্ৰথমতে উলিয়াব লাগিব। The number which are lies between 100 and 1000 and which are multiple of 5. So let's try to solve this. The numbers are the number বিলাক কি হ'ব যেটো কৈছে 100 আৰু কি 100 আৰু 1000ৰ মাজত কৈছে গতিকে নাম্বাৰটো প্ৰথম নাম্বাৰটো হ'ব 105 1010 115 up to 995 all are multiple of 5. So it is a very simple type of problem here. A, what is A? A is the first term. Here A equal to 105. D is what? D is second term minus first term equal to D is also 5. Okay, D is 5. And last term is also given here. An equal to 995. Now we are going to find the sum of this number. So how to find the sum? First of all, we find the total number which are multiple of 5. যে প্ৰথমতে 100 আৰু 1000ৰ মাজত 5ৰ গুণিতক কিমানটা আছে হেতু যদি আমি উলাব পাৰো তাৰ পিছত আমি সামটো লাই দিম একেবাৰে আমাৰ কাৰণে কি হৈ যাব ইজি হৈ যাব। তো প্ৰথমতে যেটো an is given here, তো an ৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো আমি ইয়াত লিখি দিম an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to 995. This implies the value of an is 105 plus n minus 1 into d. D is also given here. D is 5 equal to 995. If we calculating this, then we get n minus 1 into 5 equal to 995. Here 105 is plus, then if we change the side, then it is minus. So this implies that n minus 1 into 5, this is equal to, if we subtract this, then 5 minus 5 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. So this implies that n minus 1 equal to 890 divided by 5. This implies n minus 1. If we cancelling this, then 5 8 1 times 3, 39 7 times. Okay, so 39 is 35, 5 7 35, 4 48 times 178. That implies that n is equal. This implies that n equal to what? N minus 1 equal to 178. It is the category. Then n equal to 178 plus 1. So this implies n equal to 179. So আমি যেহেতু n ৰ ভ্যালু পাই গৈছো, এতিয়া আমাৰ ওলাব লাগিব Sn. তো Sn ৰ ফৰ্মুলা যেহেতু আমি জানো, তো Sn equal, so S of n, we know the formula Sn equal to n by 2 whole into a plus an. Okay, so n is given, n is 179, so right here 179 by 2 whole into a is also given here, a is 105 plus n is 995. So this is equal to 179 by 2 into, if we add this, then 5 5 0 0 0, okay, 9 10 11. So if we cancelling this by this, then we get 5 times and 5 times 0. So 179 into 550. If we multiplying these two numbers, then we get, if we multiplying these two numbers, then we get multiplying by, then 9 8, okay, 98450 450. This is the sum, the number which lies between 100 and 1000. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 3. In a AP, that means arithmetic progression, the first term is 2 and the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms, so that 20 term is minus 112. Very simple problem. Let the AP, prathomata ami AP2 dhoribo lagibo. Question number 3 solution. Let the AP be, AP means arithmetic progression. Let the AP be a plus b, a plus 2d, etc. a plus 2d, a plus 3d, etc. both. Right? So here given a equal to a, yet a2 kiman ase, a ase. So here, according to condition, first condition is what? First condition is, according to condition it is given here, the first term is 2. It is given here, given a equal to 2. It is given, and the sum of the first 5 terms, the sum of the first 5 terms, according to condition, sum of the first 5 terms is equal to, it is given here, 5 terms, 1/4 of the next 5 terms. The 1/4, that means 1/4 of next 5 terms. Sum of next 5 terms. Sum of next 5 terms. So this implies that sum of first 5 terms hole ami likhibo lagibo a plus b, a plus 2d, a plus 3d plus a plus 4d. 8 pasta a 1 2 3 4 5. This is equal to 1/4 of sum of next 5 terms hole, যেহেতু আমি a plus 4d লকে ইয়াত লিখিছো, তো নেক্সট টার্ম তো আমার কি হবো, a plus 5d plus a plus 6d plus a plus 7d plus a plus 8d plus a plus 9d. ইয়াতো 5টা হৈছে চাগে 1 2 3 4 5 so bracket close. So this implies that how many a here? Here is 5a. 1 2 3 4 5 5a plus how many d? 1 3 6 10 10d. This is equal to, so ইয়াত হ'ব 1/4 whole into a আছে ইয়াত 5টা 5a plus d আছে কিমান আমাৰ ইয়াত 5 6 11 11 হাতে কিমান হ'ব 11 হাতে 18 18 আৰু হাতে হ'ব 18 আৰু 8 প্লাস কৰিলে 26 26 আৰু 9 26 9 প্লাস কৰিলে হ'ব 35 I think 35d. So this is equal to, if we multiplying this by 4 with this, then this is 20a plus 40d equal to 5a plus 35d. This implies that 20a minus 5a is equal to, sorry, plus 40d minus 35d equal to 0. This implies that, so yes, this is 20, sorry, this is 15a plus 5d equals 0. We know the value of a, so 15 into a is 2 plus 5d equal to 0. This implies that, ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি আমি implies কৰোঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে 30 plus 5d equal to 0. That implies 5d is equal to minus 30 implies d equal to minus 30/5. That implies d equal to minus 6. So common difference আমি কিমান পালো minus 6 পালো. Okay, common difference to কিমান হৈছে আমাৰ minus 6. So now we are going to find a question to question according to question, so that আমি দেখাব লাগে 20 নম্বৰ টার্মটো কিমান হ'ব minus 112 হ'ব. তো আমি যদি 20 নম্বৰ টার্মটো উলাও না 20 টার্ম, that means a20, this is equal to, formula is, if we break this, then a plus 19d. So a is given here, a is 2 plus 19 into d. D we get here, d is minus 6, to write here minus 6. So this is equal to 2 minus, if we multiplying this, then we get 9 6 I 54, 9 6 1 I 6, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. This is 114. If we subtract this, then we get here minus 112. Hence proof. Proof হৈ গ'ল। 20 নম্বৰ টাৰ্মটো আমি কিমান পাইছো, therefore a20, that means 20. Hence verified, we get a20 equal to minus 112. Now we are going to solve question number 4. Question number 4, it is also a very simple type of problems. It is a very simple problem. How many terms of AP? AP is given here minus 6 minus 11/2 minus 5 are needed to give the sum minus 25. So how, let's try to solve, how to solve this problem. আমি প্ৰশ্নটো সমাধান কৰিবৰ কাৰণে যত্ন কৰিম। তো সলভ কেনেকৈ কৰিম, প্ৰথমতে যে গিভেন AP টো আমি লিখিম, গিভেন AP B, যে যেটো গিভেন AP আছে হেতু কি আছে minus 6 comma minus 11/2 comma minus 5 is expressed. Okay, it is given here. So from the AB it is clear here, A, what is A? A is the first term is minus 6, and D equal to what? D is the common difference. Common difference, how to get the common difference? That we সাধাৰণতে connect to second term minus first term. Here second term is 11 by minus 11/2 minus first term is minus 6. So this is equal to minus 11/2 minus minus is plus. This is equal to, taking 2 is the LCM, then minus 11 plus যায় 6 12 তো দিস ইজ ইকুৱেল টু 1/2 তেতিয়াহ'লে আমাৰ কমন ডিফাৰেন্সটো কি হ'ল প্লাছ হাফ ওকে 1/2 পাইছোঁ now we are going to find the sum of the how many term is needed to get the sum of minus 25 আমি এইটো ওলাব লাগে তো we don't know let আমি ধৰি লম sn টো ইমান আমাৰ minus 25 বুজিলে যে sn টাৰ্ম লৈকে প্লাস কৰিলে আমি কি পাম minus 25 পাম তো let sn equal to minus 25 so sn we know the formula sn is what n by 2 whole into এতিয়া আমি এইটো ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰিম a plus an এইটো ফৰ্মুলা আমি ইয়াত ইউজ নকৰো why because যেটো আমাৰ লাস্ট টার্ম তো ইয়াত যেহেতু নাই তো আমি এইটো ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰিম এতিয়া 2a plus n minus 1 into d this is equal to minus 25 so this implies that n by 2 whole into 2 into a is given in the question so a is minus 6 plus n minus 1 d is also given d is 1 by 2 this is equal to minus 25 so this implies that n by 2 whole into minus 12 plus n minus 1 divided by 2 this is equal to minus 25 so this implies that n whole into n whole into 2 this is minus 25 okay plus n minus 1 this is equal to if we multiply 2 with this then we get here minus 50 okay so this is equal to n whole into so here is n whole into what n first write here n so minus 25 minus 1 is minus 24 minus 1 is minus 25 this is equal to minus 100 so this implies that if we multiply this then n is square minus 25n if we change the side then this is equal to 0 okay যেহেতু মাইনাসত আছিল right side of left tot ahise ki hoise plus hoye hoise so if we factorize in middle factor term then we get n square minus 20 plus 5 n okay plus 100 is equal to 0 this implies that n square minus 20n minus 5n plus 100 equal to 0 taking n common from first two terms then n whole into n minus 20 taking common 5 from last two terms then n minus 20 this is also equal to 0 this implies that n minus 5 whole into n minus 20 this is equal to 0 so either n minus 5 equal to 0 this implies n equal to 5 or n minus 20 equal to 0 this implies n equal to 20 এতিয়া আমি 5 নম্বৰ টাৰ্মটো বা 6 নম্বৰ 20 নম্বৰ টাৰ্মটো যদি আমি প্লাস কৰো তেতিয়াহলে আমি কি পাই যাম যেটো আমাৰ ভ্যালু -25 পাব লাগে সেইখিনি আমি পাই যাম যে প্ৰথম পাঁচটা টাৰ্ম যদি প্লাস কৰা হয় তথাপিও 0 হ'ব আৰু 20 নম্বৰ যদি প্ৰথম 20 নম্বৰটা টাৰ্ম যদি প্লাস কৰা হয় তথাপিও 0 হ'ব therefore n equal to we get 5, 20 so this is the answer thank you